Biochemistry is the science of life's chemistry, a field that delves into the very essence of what makes life possible. It's like peeking behind the curtain of life to understand how it all works at a molecular level, revealing the hidden mechanisms that drive every living organism. Imagine tiny molecules constantly interacting, creating energy, building structures, and carrying information. That's biochemistry in action. These interactions are the foundation of all biological processes. It's the study of these molecules, their interactions, and how they drive the processes that make life possible. Biochemists work tirelessly to decode these complex interactions. Think about it. Every breath you take, every beat of your heart, every thought you have is orchestrated by a symphony of biochemical reactions. These reactions are meticulously coordinated to sustain life. These reactions involve the building and breaking down of molecules, energy transformations, and the transmission of genetic information. They are the fundamental processes that keep us alive and functioning. From the simplest single-celled organism to the complexity of the human brain, biochemistry is the common thread that unites all living things. It bridges the gap between biology and chemistry. Without biochemistry, we wouldn't have the tools to understand how our bodies function, how diseases develop, or how to develop new treatments. It provides the knowledge needed to combat illnesses and improve health. It's the foundation for fields like medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. These fields rely on biochemistry to innovate and solve critical problems. Biochemistry allows us to delve into the intricate workings of life, unlocking secrets that have profound implications for our health and the world around us. It is a science that continually pushes the boundaries of what we know about life itself. At the heart of biochemistry lies metabolism. This refers to all the chemical reactions happening inside an organism to keep it alive. It's a continuous dance of building up and breaking down molecules. Imagine your body as a bustling city with molecules constantly moving, interacting, and transforming. These molecules, the stars of the biochemical show, are called biomolecules. They include carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates are our primary energy source, like fuel for our cellular engines. Lipids store energy and form cell membranes, the protective barriers of our cells. Proteins are the workhorses, carrying out a vast array of tasks from transporting molecules to catalyzing reactions. And then there's DNA, the blueprint of life, holding the genetic instructions that make us who we are. These biomolecules are constantly synthesized, broken down, and transformed through intricate metabolic pathways, ensuring the smooth functioning of life's processes. The beauty of biochemistry is its universality. The same fundamental biochemical processes occur in all living organisms, whether it's a towering oak tree, a buzzing bee, or a human being. We all rely on the same basic building blocks of life: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Consider photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into chemical energy. This remarkable feat is driven by a series of biochemical reactions involving chlorophyll, a pigment that captures light energy. The energy is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a sugar that serves as the plant's energy source. Animals, on the other hand, obtain energy by consuming plants or other animals. Through digestion, complex molecules in food are broken down into simpler ones that our bodies can absorb. These molecules are then used to build our own tissues, provide energy, or are stored for later use. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, life on Earth is interconnected through these shared biochemical processes. Section 4. Unraveling Life's Mysteries. Milestones in Biochemistry. The journey of biochemistry is paved with groundbreaking discoveries that have revolutionized our understanding of life. One pivotal moment was the discovery of the structure of DNA in 1953 by James Watson and Francis Crick. Their iconic double helix model unlocked the secrets of heredity and paved the way for modern genetics. Another milestone was the unraveling of the metabolic pathway known as glycolysis. This process, occurring in the cytoplasm of cells, is the fundamental way that cells break down glucose to generate energy. Understanding glycolysis provided a crucial window into how organisms fuel themselves. These breakthroughs, along with countless others, have propelled biochemistry to the forefront of scientific inquiry. From understanding how enzymes catalyze reactions to deciphering the complex signaling pathways within cells, biochemistry continues to illuminate the inner workings of life. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the fundamental principles that govern living systems. Section 5. Biomolecules, tiny clues to big diseases. Biochemistry plays a critical role in modern medicine, particularly in diagnosing and monitoring diseases. It is the study of the chemical processes within and related to living organisms, and it helps us understand the molecular mechanisms that underlie various health conditions. Many diseases leave telltale signs in our biomolecules, acting as biomarkers that can be detected through laboratory tests. These biomarkers are often specific molecules that indicate the presence or severity of a disease. These biomarkers provide valuable insights into our health status and help guide medical decisions. By analyzing these tiny clues, doctors can make more accurate diagnoses and tailor treatments to individual patients. For instance, high levels of glucose in the blood can indicate diabetes, a metabolic disorder affecting how the body regulates blood sugar. Regular monitoring of blood glucose levels is essential for managing diabetes effectively. Abnormal levels of lipids, such as cholesterol and triglycerides, can signal an increased risk of heart disease. These lipid levels are crucial indicators that help doctors assess cardiovascular health and recommend lifestyle changes or medications. Analyzing these biomolecules allows doctors to identify individuals at risk and intervene early to prevent or manage these conditions. Early intervention can significantly improve patient outcomes and reduce the burden of chronic diseases. Furthermore, analyzing proteins in the blood can help diagnose a wide range of diseases, from infections to cancer. Proteins serve as vital biomarkers that can reveal the presence of disease even before symptoms appear. Proteins can also be used to monitor the effectiveness of treatments and detect disease recurrence. This ongoing monitoring is crucial for adjusting treatment plans and ensuring the best possible patient care. Biochemistry has revolutionized disease diagnosis and management by providing powerful tools to detect and monitor these molecular clues within our bodies. The advancements in this field continue to enhance our ability to understand, diagnose, and treat various health conditions, ultimately improving patient outcomes and quality of life. Section 6, Biochemistry in Action, Healthcare, Nutrition and Drug Development. The impact of biochemistry extends far beyond the laboratory, shaping various aspects of our lives, particularly in healthcare, nutrition and drug development. This field of science is integral to understanding the complex chemical processes that occur within our bodies and how they influence our health and well-being. In healthcare, biochemistry forms the backbone of medical diagnostics, enabling the development of sophisticated tests for diagnosing and monitoring a wide range of conditions. These tests can detect biomarkers for diseases, allowing for early intervention and more effective treatment plans. In nutrition, biochemistry helps us understand the role of different nutrients in our bodies and how they contribute to our overall health. By studying the biochemical interactions of vitamins, minerals, proteins, and other nutrients, we can determine their impact on bodily functions and overall wellness. It allows us to develop dietary recommendations and personalized nutrition plans to optimize health and prevent diseases. Personalized nutrition takes into account individual differences in metabolism, genetics, and lifestyle, providing tailored advice that can lead to better health outcomes. Understanding how our bodies process different nutrients, from vitamins and minerals to carbohydrates and fats, is crucial for maintaining optimal health. This knowledge helps in creating balanced diets that support energy levels, immune function, and overall vitality. Biochemistry is also the driving force behind drug discovery and development. It involves the study of molecular mechanisms and the identification of potential drug targets. By understanding the biochemical pathways involved in diseases, scientists can design drugs that target specific molecules or processes to treat or manage conditions effectively. This targeted approach can lead to more effective treatments with fewer side effects. From developing antibiotics to combat bacterial infections to creating targeted therapies for cancer, biochemistry has revolutionized the pharmaceutical industry and led to life-saving treatments. The continuous advancements in this field promise even more innovative solutions for some of the most challenging health issues we face today. Section 7. Biochemistry and you from food to fitness. Biochemistry is not just confined to labs and hospitals, it's woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. Every time you eat a meal, your body engages in a complex cascade of biochemical reactions to break down food, absorb nutrients, and provide you with energy. The choices we make about our diet directly impact these biochemical processes. Exercise also has a profound effect on our biochemistry. When you exercise, your muscles use glucose and oxygen to produce energy, leading to changes in hormone levels and metabolic rate. Regular physical activity helps optimize these biochemical pathways, contributing to overall health and well-being. Even something as simple as getting a good night's sleep is governed by biochemistry. Hormones like melatonin regulate our sleep-wake cycles, ensuring our bodies get the rest they need to function correctly. By understanding the biochemical processes involved in these everyday activities, we can make informed choices to optimize our health and well-being.